If you are able to get liberation from breathing, still you exist. From hearing, still you listen. Liberation from the all 24 elements. Without 24 elements, still we can keep head to toes in this way. Then there is complete liberation from karma. Therefore, how Mahatar Baba used to exist till today? When Samyukteswar Giri visited Lahiri Maharshi, and Lahiri Maharshi inquired, "Did you see Babaji?" Samyukteswar Giri said, No, I did not see. Where he is? He just at the door. He went and see. I'm not able to see it. Then he called Samyukteswar Giri, he touched the forehead. This forehead is called door towards Sushumna. Door towards Sushumna means door towards Sushumna, towards Vajra, towards Chitranadi. Means doors towards from physical to astral to causal consciousness. Moment Lahiri Maharshi touched the forehead, this consciousness entered into astral and causal zone. Then he said, yes, Babaji is there. But he was little annoyed with Babaji because he promised that he will meet when this holy science will be completed. The day holy science is completed, in the night, just in the morning, Babaji met. But Yukteswar Giri demonstrated emotional love, great intensity of emotional love as we do. Please sit, I am giving a cup of coffee or sweet, this is fruits, please have it. This is emotional love. Then after that, when he went to get sweets and other things for Babaji, then when he came, he did not see, where is Babaji? Then he searched railway station here and there. After that, he did not find. Then he was little annoyed. Okay, all right, I know. But at least he should say, he should bless me. And he left. When he sat Lahiri Maharshi home, Babaji, then he was having loving angriness that he did not bow down. Then he asked, are you angry with me? Yes, why not? You came and you disappeared, therefore I am angry. No, I was there just behind the rays, sunlight. I was here just behind rays. You could not see me. What's the meaning of rays? Visible universe. The sunlight is making this universe visible. Without sunlight or any light, eyes will not work. Therefore, what he is telling, I am just behind this physical universe. Meditate more. Yukteswar Giri, who was in such great height of meditation, that he raised his last weight 50 pounds in a second. And he wrote holy science. Yukteswar Giri wrote holy science. He was one of the closest disciples of Lahiri Maharshi. He was blessed by Babaji twice. Still, Babaji said, practice more. Then what we think that Yukteswar Giri was not able to penetrate astral or causal world? Yes, he was able. But it is advised while working you have to penetrate. When we are eating the food, when we are hearing, listening, talking, walking, working, resting, all the time, your consciousness should be in physical universe, in astral and causal all. This is what is advised by Babaji. That direction is for us also. Through Yukteswar Giri, we are having this idea. Therefore, practice Kriya Yoga sincerely all the time. What is Kriya Yoga? Feel head to toes. This is the physical universe, feel it more and more. It is connected with the astral universe. This is physical body, is a physical universe. It is connected with astral body, astral universe, and is connected with causal body, causal universe. Which means try to love head to toes more and more all the time. What is the meaning of love? Accept formless, omnipresence God has become this. Now we are ready to practice how to enter into Sushumna, then Vajra and Chitra. We imagine logical that we have to make some hole or put mind here. But in fact, entry to the Sushumna, Chitta, Vajra is through Bhrumadhya. Common people will say, it doesn't make any logic. I can't understand. By concentrating here, how you can enter into Sushumna? Therefore, logic does not work. Practice and you will feel it.